I'm with the Insta360 X5, and I had again relink pair my mic gear. And I'm on where the camera is to the sideways landscape, and like this. And the reason I do that is I want to keep a lower profile. If I can work this out for me, great. That means I go buy that piece, the right angle mount adapter for the X5. I'm single mode V1.12 that just came out, the latest firmware, and it allows you 4K 30 for pure video mode. It also has this 360-degree 8K resolution mode, tone adaptive control, controlled via the application or Insta360 Studio. So if you shoot with it, that means your footage won't have the adaptive tone control, that you have to go into Studio and hit it, click it, put it on. So we asked for certain things and we got certain things. I'm not looking to replace my action camera. I'm looking to use my other cameras with the added features and functions to give me more fun using it. And this is fun. Now, I like keeping my camera low profile, like I said in my video before. The thing that bothers me that I don't like is that I get lens flare into the camera if you're pointed into the sun. Common sense. Now, I have the mic gear. I don't love it. I got the DJI mic underneath my shirt. It's not on or internal recording. But I watched a number of videos and the sound quality wasn't spot on. Maybe it takes time to get used to. Maybe certain scenes and areas of interest. I don't know. I'll give you a nice example. The scooter. It's got flat, free wheels. They're all rubber. There's no air. And you must get used to the ride. You don't, you're not going to like the scooter. And that's exactly what's with the Insta360 X5 camera. Gotta get used to it, Fish. Used to it. How do you like those powerful colors? Oh boy. I gotta stop. It came loose. And that's why I want the right angle adapter. So yeah, I'm all tight, all secured. I put my left turn signal on so they could see me, and I put my right turn signal on so they could see me. All right. I still got to straighten you out. You're still on a little angle. At least the video's there. How's the stabilization of the camera? All right. I'm going to wait for the sales to go on. I don't want to be bouncing around all over the place. Let me get to where I need to be at and have some fun. I'm all tight, strong. I don't love these clamps anymore. Let's get going. Woo, yeah, you're sliding down as I go along. Tight, tight, and tight. That's all I can do. Make sure I make everything tight. All right, we're in the park, and you're still dropping down. As I have an Insta360 stick, invisible stick home, it shook all over the place. I got this aftermarket one. It don't shake all over the place. But I made sure I tightened down on the anti-sign. And it's still loosened up. I'm about 3 feet from me. And I'm on de-warp mode. What I am going to do is I'm going to extend it as far as I can go. So as I extend it to the maximum height, it's not all about hiding the stick, sharing the story. And this is not comfortable holding out. This is not meant to do vlogging with the telescopic pole anymore. I thought I got rid of the poles years ago and went to the shorty for the last 8 years, that is. Now I am holding it about my arm's length. I could bring it in just a little closer, make it more comfortable. Now, I'm interested in single mode and pure video plus mode. For the reasons of, if you're looking to get an Insta360 Ace Pro 2, right? Oh, look at my helmet. It's giving you miles per hour as I walk. This will give you the perfect reason to get one, if you want to get one. Now, you have the option for 360 and you have the option for single lens, 4K. But the Insta360 Ace Pro does 8K video resolution. And how often do you do 8K video resolution? How many people out there watch 8K video on a smartphone? When smartphones, most are 720p. Walking back and forth for the reasons of I'm in shade, the sun, and I'm leaving my scooter behind. This way you get an idea of what it looks like. And like I said, I'm out here holding my camera like this. It may be a little heavy like that. And I am on 9:16 aspect ratio, not 16:9, 9:16. Portrait, vertical, to give me the same as 16:9. And that's the way I want to hold my camera, for the reasons of, I see a full screen. This is stupid bright. I change over to vivid. This through the screen is like a highlight green marker. Oh, it just darkened down. Now I'm not sure, is it my screen's on 100% brightness, which I gotta dim it down. But looking this way and through the system, you can see how dark it is here and how bright it's over there. And that is vivid. I don't know how to get HDR on or off. Please forgive me. Well, I did my vlog, did my talk, did my share, and I want to get on out of here. I changed the position of my Insta pole, third party that is. And yeah, maybe the smoothness of the tar and the road over here may help you out. Now I'm able to see me in the camera, able to hold up my hand nice and comfortable to stop my video. The 360 single mode is MP4 only. Let's get on going. At the video with the Insta Mic Air. It's on the outside on lanyard strap. I'm not sure of the noise canceling mode. The camera is holding strong. It's not going all over the place, falling down. The wind is kicking, it's hitting me. and the brightness level dropped. Checking my speed, how fast I'm going, comfortable. I'm going to sit back, relax, and edit the video, see what it looks like, and share it to you. Subtitle what I feel. Now you may notice the cars slow down a little because maybe they're looking at the helmet and seeing the GPS speed I'm going. I like this helmet. This helmet's nice. White's a nice color. All right, so I'm Fish. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share, show a love, enjoy the video, and always thumbs up helps the channel to algorithm. And yeah, man, I appreciate it. I'm a nano small channel like I used to be, still am, and I do things on the rail.